this to Leslie's to get tested.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another great day. Well, I'm out driving the truck, running some errands. I'm about to go to get my pool water tested for the weekend. And last night I spent time rebuilding the supercharger. Unfortunately, I had a little bit more damage than I thought originally. The impeller shaft actually had the bearing race seized on there. It got so hot, the race welded to the shaft of the impeller. I couldn't get it off. I tried cutting it off and air hammered the race off, but it was just not coming off. So I ended up having to order a brand new impeller shaft. I ordered one from 928 Motorsports and it got here the other day. So I spent last night putting it back together, getting ready to get the supercharger back on the truck. And all thing I'm waiting for now is basically the belt. And the belt should arrive sometime today. So right now I'm gonna go run some errands, and hopefully by the time we get back, we get the supercharger back together and running. Honestly, guys, driving the truck without a supercharger, it is really slow. It just feels so much slower than it was before. So for all you guys who have no supercharger or no power adder on your truck, wow, I definitely recommend stepping up to a supercharger. Even an old power down like the one I have makes a big difference. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys some of the schematics from last night of me putting the supercharger on. So sit back and enjoy. For the pool, got our test, we're looking good. Now let's go ahead and see if I can make a hit really quick and kind of show you guys how slow this truck really is. We're going about what? Let's go down to about 30 miles an hour really quick, and we'll make a nice little hit, see what it takes to actually move this truck. This truck is actually really slow. That took forever. So yeah, I can't wait to get the, I think it's kind of, all right, cool. We just got notified that the belt just got to the house. Let's go home, put the supercharger belt on, and let's get this thing moving. All right, we're home. Let's see if this box is here. All right. Let's go see if we got our package here. Here he goes. Let's go put this belt on. Alright, we got our belt. This uses a 69.5-inch belt. It's basically the same one we had. Oh yeah, still in here. It's basically the same one we had in there before that got busted up. So I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit. We are gonna put the belt on. Well, belt is officially back on the supercharger. Got it nice and tight, and we are ready for its first startup, and are crossing our fingers that everything is good to go and go take it out for a drive. Officially out driving the truck. And wow, it makes a big difference, guys. I'm telling you, the Supercharger makes a really big difference. Now the final test is basically to see, make a little hit, see what it does now compared to what it did before. We're gonna be going about, let's go around 30 like last time. Try to get this in focus for you guys. So I'm gonna try to slow it down here a little bit. See what it'll do now compared to what it did before. So this is just boost only, no nitrous. I'm gonna go down to about 35 miles an hour here. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, guys. And I saw maybe around 10 pounds of boost. Woo! She's back. Oh yeah. She is back, baby. We need to go ahead and up the nitrous now, because I do have a friend, Bo Builds, who was building the IS300 twin turbo. Well, unfortunately, he is switching it up and is now pro charging a 03 Silverado, I think. So he wants to race me. He's not completely done with the ProCharger kit yet, but he's in the works. He's got it mounted. He's got like plumbing and fuel left, but he wants to test his truck against my truck. So I need to up the nitrous to even compete with that truck. Probably in the next video I'll be installing the nitrous progressive controller and upping the nitrous and go ahead and making a couple hits and see how she does. And then we'll race my buddy once he's ready and see how the truck does compared to his.